Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's videos I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to change the watch face of your DT100 smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to change the watch face of your DT100 smartwatch. So guys, all you just have to do is we're going to download the Wear Pro. So it's already downloaded in our phone, so let's tap on that one. And guys, I actually connected this one already, so if you haven't downloaded and if you haven't connected it, then you must do that first. And if you don't know how to connect, then I have a tutorial on that, so kindly check on my channel. And then now guys, we're going to just tap on watch face push. Now as you can see, it's now downloading. Wow guys, there are plenty of watch faces there. Ooh. So okay, I like this one, so let's just tap on watch face push. As you can see, it is now uploading. Okay, it's almost complete, and it says they're installing, and boom guys, we already changed our DT100 smartwatch watch face. Alright, okay, so it's a very easy tutorial guys. Okay, and if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.